Hey everyone, Rez here, and welcome back to another episode of Minecraft, yay! Woo! Okay, so like I said, I was going to go on a bit in between episodes, and this is... Hello. I'm sorry, but you need to die.
Hurting me! Hurting me! Stop it! Hurting me! Hurting me! Stop it! Hurting me! Stop it!
Stop shouting.
Stop it!
Oh, a stick and an axe, thank you. Okay, so like I said, I was going to go on a bit in between episodes and do a bit of mining, do a little bit of building, because the village over there was too small for me. My dreams will need more space, so wood. Okay, so I did steal their furnaces though, and I brought the chests. As you can see, I've got a few things in here. I managed to mine up some diamonds. I got some tin, cinnabar ore, some iron, gold, lots of random things as well. Oh, osmium as well, uranium. What else did I get? Some birch, lead, tin. Just loads of random things here and there. So we're slowly making our way towards getting the quarry started. Nowhere near enough diamonds. I think we need another 3 diamonds, I think, to do the quarry. Put a stick back in here. Let's see. Well, we can at least start some of this stuff, I suppose. So we need sticks. I'll take this oak wood. Turn it into wood, turn it all into sticks. Let's look up quarry. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gears altogether. Okay, so 7 gears. 3 of which need to be iron. Well, we need to make all these iron, actually. What am I talking about? I don't think I've got enough iron for that yet. We'll see how many we can get. Oh, didn't mean to put you in there. Nah, stop it. Nah, I failed. So yeah. Wait, that's not how you do it. Wait, what am I doing wrong? I'm failing, sorry. Oh, it needs to be stone gears. I know that. Okay. Okay. So we need another 2 pieces of iron. Okay, well, we'll work towards that. Another 2 pieces of iron. So, what I'm going to do first, though, is I'm going to take this coal. Where did I put my coal? Oh, there we go. Put that in there. Turn it into normal stone. Because we need normal stone. Sorry, smooth stone, whatever you want to call it. Unmined stone. We need that to create the... Well, we need to make stone bricks. And with the stone bricks, so we can make the portal frame. Doesn't matter which type of stone bricks, just need stone bricks. But whilst that's smelting, let's make one of these. We need stone bricks, flint and steel, stone pickaxe, and bamboo. or sticks. We have the stone pickaxe, I just need a flint and steel. I do have flint in here somewhere. There we go. Piece of flint. So now we need even more iron, so I don't think we're quite there yet. Hold on a second. Sorry about that, everyone. Freaking phone. Okay. Such popular. Okay, I'm like such noob. Okay. So, let's see. Take these out for just now. Because I need 2 of these. Not there, there. And that there. That there, and then that there, and we have a mining multi-tool. I have no idea what it does other than help but make the portal frames and stuff. But, we'll see, eventually, at some point. Okay, so, since we're nowhere near getting the... Oh, I've not even made a bed yet. Such noob. But I do have some string. Do I have enough? Turn one of the cottons into seeds because I'm going to need to plant them. More string. Nah, only got 1 piece of wool. That's not good enough. So actually, what might help is if I start working on a farming type area. Even though it's like night time and I could, you know, I'm probably going to die. But let's just do this anyway. Do it at this side of the house. Just cause I feel like it. Rid of the sand, which can be used. Oh no, there's something evil in the water. I can see it on the minimap. I don't know what it is though. Please don't be a piranha. Yeah. I can't... Oh. It's a wraith. You can stay over there. Please. And I don't want to offend you. No, you would do it. Well, at least I've got, you know, a wraith morph here. It's not already. Oh yeah, I haven't even like, used the morph stuff at all. Yeah, because I've been too focused. Like I said, I normally just like bring my pre-existing house into the new world with all my materials and stuff, which would have made this so much easier, but thought might as well start fresh. Okay. How do we want... I mean, it's not going to be an amazing farm, because it's just going to be... to get things started, but I'll leave a space of... I always like to leave a little walking space. 2, 3, 4, 5... Probably a little overzealous for like a brand new farm. But let's do it. So, what I'm going to do is going to have a 5x5 square. Did I put that cotton back in here? Yes, I did. And my cotton seed. Oh, crap. Don't come over here. Don't come over here. Don't come over here. Let's try and kill it. Oh no. Oh. Nope, nope, no fire. Thank you. That was some risky business. Actually, it might help. If I have the water coming in like that. So because I like having lots of stuff, even though I probably don't need it, I'm going to give myself a 5x5 square of every single farmable item at some point. Oh crap, I thought he was in the house. Where'd my bucket? There. I'll probably retweak this again in between episodes. Try and make it look a lot nicer. But all I'm doing just now is just trying to farm this cotton. So that I... Let's see where... I have there are bones. So that I can have a bed. So I can sleep through the night. So I'll turn these 3 into seeds as well. Force them all to grow. That would only get me another 2, so that's not really enough. Nice. Just turn those all into seeds. Oh no. Oh no. Angry zombies. Angry zombies. One has a sword and armor on. Get home. Die. I'm doing like no damage, no. Kill it. Oh, it's dead. And yay, I got 2 zombie brains. Lovely. Well, I got 6 technically, but 2 of the Thaumcraft ones, which will be really useful later on. This apple. I should eat it to get myself some health. But I can eat these 2 rhubarb. I had bread somewhere. Where did I put it? Where did I put bread? I did honestly, I had bread somewhere. Oh, there we go. Munch. So, I was going to eat, but I can turn that into an apple tree. And then I can plant it there. And I will soon have an abundance of apples. Oh, no. There we go, okay. I'm going to chop down this birch tree because it's in the way and it's just annoying. If only there were sheep. Makes things so much easier. Plenty of XP as well. Oh, I think that's more than enough to do the mining dimension, but I don't see the point in doing it just now, because it's a dimension that's kind of specifically made just for the Buildcraft mod. It's kind of a companion thing for those that don't like destroying their world with the Buildcraft quarries and stuff. It's just like another world that you can build your quarries in. so that your landscape remains untouched. Which, for the most part, is how I like things. Because I hate having big, massive, like, gaps of missing ground. Take some cotton. Turn it into a seed. Let's see, I wonder if there... Maybe I could find some sheep. Oh, some more zombie brains. Let's see... Plenty of trees. Oh, another type of seed. Lots of mushrooms around here. What the heck is that? What is that? A mana pod. I kinda don't want to break it because I've not started any of the Buildcraft stuff. Because, like, I don't want to destroy it, because I don't know how common or uncommon or rare they are. So I want to be able to scan it with... Ow. Let's get back in here. Get rid of these brains. Okay, I need to make a wand. That's the one. No, I need to pick a recipe. Iron caps. Oh, it's iron nuggets. Okay, how could I not have guessed? 2 of those. That's probably... And then, I need 2 caps. And was it just a stick? Not sure. Let's go with stick. There we go. And that's us kind of gotten into started the Thaumcraft stuff. I feel like I'm doing so many things at once, but I kinda am, so hopefully you can just bear with me. And as you know, onions have grown. You need, for those who play Thaumcraft, you need to transform a bookshelf, which thankfully this village has. Because I have nowhere near enough leather to make enough books to build one. Okay, so let's open up the book. Scribing tools, ooh, what's this? Okay, so you need 9 of those knowledge fragments. I've got 1. That's not really helpful. I need to learn how to do the... Oh, peck. Oh! Oh, so they just steal stuff. Okay. Okay. Ores, we've found some. Ooh. Ooh! That looks pretty. I never knew you can make like little crystal clusters. I think this is the thing. No, it's not. That's just showing us the aspects we know. Where the heck is the thing? Oh, is it under this? No, it's not. It'll be under here. Here we go. So I need 2 shards, glass, and ingots. I don't think I have any shards. I may have some shards, actually. Oh, I do. I have 2 air shards. I need a single piece of glass. Single piece of glass. I thought I had some. Obviously not. Put you in there with... Can I burn a pressure plate? Yes. Is it enough to cook the sand, though? That's the question. And I have 2 pieces of gold. Because I want to go scan that mana pod before I destroy it. Okay. Yay, thermometer. Okay. Don't have enough to understand. Don't have enough to understand. Yay, I've discovered Saxum. No fair. Okay, another piece of cotton. Plant that. Scan the water. Yay, torch. Ooh, got lux. Yes! Okay, grass. No. Short grass? Not smart enough. Sand. Yo-yo. Oh, gotta sneeze, gotta sneeze. No, we're good. We're good. Okay, where was that mana pod? Ah, there it is. Oh. Nothing can be learned from it. Okay. Oh, they just make mana beans. Okay, I've played Thaumcraft for a while on my game, on one of my other single-player games, and I've never come across those before. Let's take these mushrooms. So, I have no idea what you do with these things. Are they used for anything? No? 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 Are they used for making that? I don't think so. Can I scan it? No. Can I scan this one? No. Can it? Oh, it can be eaten though. Also, it literally just gives you research points when you eat it. Okay. I guess that works. Oh, I get it. If you could use those for when you're doing the alchemy stuff, so that you're getting precise numbers. I guess. I don't want to finish this episode without a bed. I just keep planting these cotton instead of keeping them. Okay, I may as well just plant this one as well. I need bone meal. Maybe that was a bit too overzealous. Let's be a little more realistic. We'll do it 4x5. Not much more realistic, but it'll do. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more iron. I don't know why I've not done this already, but let's make an iron sword, and we'll hopefully go kill some skeletons. Or not. Nice. As you'll notice, I have keep inventory on because I die a lot. That was not nice, but it's my first death, and it's episode 2. Lovely. Let's just... Ow. Ow. Spruce wood? Nothing. Grass block? Nothing. Go away, zombie. Oh, crap, werewolf. Also, I normally turn mob griefing off as well for my own games, because, like, it absolutely destroys me when like creepers blow up something, especially if you've been working on it for a while. So I've left it mob griefing on for now. We'll see how it goes, and I'll decide later whether I'm turning it on or leaving it on or turning it off.
Hurting me! Stop it!
Nope, nope, nope. All the nope. I need to get to my house. Okay, I made it inside. 3 pieces of string, 1 piece of wool. Yeah, I'm totally doing really well. I need to kill a skeleton. And I died again. Ugh. Okay, I'm not giving up till we kill the skeleton. But I now have 2 death points over there. Not good. Okay, so I have bones and some string. I think I have enough string to make another piece of wool now. I'm so glad you can make wool from string, because I haven't seen a single sheep since I started this. Which, well, to be fair, wasn't that long ago. It was maybe a few hours ago, but... Let's see, can we safely get back home before I run out of sprint? Yes, we can. We're in. Whew. Okay. Well, let's grab that. Only need 1 more piece. Okay. 1 bone. We're so lucky. I don't want to go outside. I hope that... I don't think this is enough. Sorry, I was sneezing. Oh, this is not a good day to be doing this. I want to finish this with making my own bed. I am determined to make a bed. I should have made food. More zombie brains, dirt, flowers, that. Oh. Oh, yeah, I need, like, 3 more pieces. But you know what? Bugger it. I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. So anyway, I've been Rez, this has been Minecraft, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, press the like button below. If you'd like to see more from my new channel, please hit the subscribe button, leave comments, let me know. Anyway, I know I probably sound disgusting in this video. Either way, thank you very much, guys. Have a great day, and see you later.